Hello! We are here at the JW Marriott. So today we're going to take a tour of this resort. It's actually off strip, so it's about a 20-minute drive. Look at the palm trees. The way in was very beautiful. Just palm trees lined up the entire way. It's winter right now, but it still looks like summer here.
We are here. We need to come back to that road. And
so we need a map to
turn right here.
Resort.
Yeah, our units on this tower called Palm Tower.
Okay, we're at Palm Tower.
Yeah, we are at Palm Tower.
Cool.
Yeah.
Let's take a look inside here at the lobby before we head to the tower. Ooh, massive giant tree. It's kind of like a lodge feel. We have like sofas here. It really does feel like a lodge. It even has a fireplace. Not that it's in use, but it seems like there's an upstairs. Down this way we've got the business center is this way, and a Hertz car rental. And I guess rooms already started from here. Oh, this is the business center. You can tell by the chairs and table already. And over down this way, it looks like it's the check-in concierge here. There's a restaurant over there, the Hawthorne Grill. Now offering teppanyaki at the Jade over there. We have the conference center, the pool, and waterside cafe down there. We'll take a look over there. So for now, we'll head towards the tower. Tower. Here we go. Thank you. Yeah.
No problem.
Oh, it's got like a blue door. Whoa. There's like a hall here. An actual hall. And then the closet. And then a nice little room here. Oh, it's very cute. You have like a no balcony. And double beds. This is so cool. Down this hallway, we have the closet. Oh my gosh, it's actually really big. This is really nice closet. And then we have the bathroom. It's massive. Oh my gosh, they even have like a little mat back for you. And they have like a tub here with jets. Wow, this is fancier. And then a shower. Full shower. And then, oh, and the back end door here is a toilet. I love that they separate the toilet from the rest of the room. And then I'm not sure what this is, but maybe it's for laundry. It's like a hamper. And because we booked with a Marriott membership, we have $40 credit to spend at any of these places, like Starbucks. Oh, Mom, you can use it for your coffee. Or I guess the Marketplace buffet is here on site. There's also an Italian bistro. The spa, you can get day passes $25 for each hotel guest.
A few moments later.
So Mom insists that we must take the elevator to get to our hotel room every time we come. So we've changed rooms. You like their carpet? All right. So now we got a new room. So it's similar. It's got this hallway. And again, a closet that's not as nice, but it's still a good closet.
But you got a very fancy bathroom. Look at this. Look at this.
And now we're on a view from the 4th floor.
Oh, it is nicer.
The bathroom, it's the same. It's just as big. Oh, but the hamper is gone. No hamper this time. Still got the same bathtub and a different drawing or painting or framed drawing. And then we got the shower. I guess you win some, you lose some when you change to a different room. Even in the same hotel, they could have different features. Like this hallway is now white. Let me know if you like this one or the other room. I certainly like the closet for the other room. Now, of course, Mom likes this place better because of the view.
And it's brighter. Can you tell?
There's a lot of sunlight coming in, that's true. No couch though. You just get a
more
lonely
space.
chair.
It's spaceful.
A lonely chair. So I spilled some water on this map, but it's still okay. You can use it to explore this resort now. The red areas here, you must be over 21. Oh, there's a casino here on site. I'm guessing you probably have to be over 21 for most things in Las Vegas. See, look, they have like a long indoor hall walk. It's nice that they have everything brightly lit here. At least the lobby looked really dark, but over here it's nice and light. And I guess this is the main center area of JW. It looks like it, right? This is where all the restaurants, the Starbucks, the casino is. And in the map, it's basically the center area. There's an Italian restaurant over here. And you keep going this way, you get the casino and the Asian new kitchen. And then here's a Starbucks. Asian kitchen and noodles. So here's the JW Marriott Casino. Or at least it's like this little area right here. Oh, buffet. This must be the market buffet. Looks really nice. It kind of looks like it's outdoors, but it's actually indoors. Oh, all day buffet. And if you want late night food, they have $5.99 late night specials.
omelet.
This is the California Dreamin' Omelet.
Yeah.
Big country breakfast is pretty big. And then I also got a side of bacon with, you got oatmeal?
It's a centennial breakfast.
Oh,
So it's oatmeal with yogurt parfait.
Okay, and mine is avocado toast with over easy egg. Alright, here we are at the main casino. Honestly, I think if you go to any casino in Las Vegas, no matter which hotel it's at, they all kind of look the same. You just have endless rows of lights and machines. I mean, do you think I'll get carded on this trip?
Okay. I don't mind.
No. The challenge is, do you think I'll get carded on this trip?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No.
This resort is quite big. We just walked through the indoor area. Now we're going to check out the outdoor area. They have all these palm trees. And this is where the spa is. They have appointments available today. And this is their entrance. And down here, we're headed back in the direction of Spa Tower, where we first came into the hotel from. Oh, it's like a little indoor marketplace. And here's Spa Tower lobby, where we first came in. This is the Hawthorne Grill restaurant. Guess it's not open at this time. Oh, yeah, we can see this from our balcony. Or at least we see something similar from our balcony. This is not the same. We're not staying at Spa Tower. But this is a nice garden outside. Well, this is the Zen Walk. What they call basically the pool, the outer gardens, the wedding gazebo. Take a look. Lined with palm trees everywhere. It's, honestly, just from the view here, it looks like we're not at a hotel. But this is a hotel. And that is over there. I think that's the Hawthorne Grill. They have a patio for it too. You really think of everything. Today's nice blue skies. It's about 15 degrees here. This is what they have on site. Actual waterfalls. Wow. It's so peaceful and picturesque here. Waterfalls are usually pretty loud, but it looks like over here we got, oh, this is the outdoor area at the spa. Where you have like little like treatment pools. We continue on our walk through the Zen Walk. It's like we're at a crossroad. One way leads to pools, and the other way leads to everything else. Oh, taking the upward route. There, the waterfalls are down there, and we're headed up here. Oh, that might be the wedding pagoda. It's winter now, but let's check out the pool. Oh, we gotta visit the pool hut. Oh my gosh, the sun is so bright. The car doesn't work? Alright, so continuing on the Zen Walk, we have, since we can't go to the pool, let's take a look at this side. Ah, another waterfall area. When the sun is out, this place is really beautiful and peaceful. All you hear is water. It truly is beautiful here. Well, that concludes our Zen walk. And that concludes our walking tour of JW Marriott at Las Vegas. Thank you for joining us. I'll end you on this beautiful view of this resort. I mean, you don't have to always stay on the strip. There are actually hotels out here. If you get a car, drive out here, you can get some nice peaceful time away from the crowds out here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.